Hello, everybody. How have you been? Okay, welcome all of you to T1 course introduction. Now, first of all, I would like to introduce you some general information about this course. Our course is called the English for TOEIC 1 or T1, okay? And it has 4 credits with 60 periods. There are 6 lessons in this course, and you will learn this course in 15 weeks. After learning this course, you can get 250 TOEIC score. Pay attention to the number, please. You can get 250 TOEIC score after learning this course. All right. And what are you going to learn in this course? Okay. You will learn TOEIC listening and TOEIC reading. All right. In TOEIC listening, you will learn 4 parts: picture description, questions and responses, short conversations, and short talks. How about TOEIC reading? Yes, there are 3 parts in TOEIC reading. That is, incomplete sentences, incomplete tasks, and reading comprehension. And now I would like to introduce you your learning schedule. All right, as you know, this course will last in 15 weeks. All right. With the week number 1, we will do course introduction and placement test. All right. When you move on to the week number 2 and number 3, you will learn lesson number 1 with nouns, emails, picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short talks. All right. The lesson number 2 will be learned in the week number 4 and number 5. Yes, what are you going to learn in this lesson? You will learn how to use verbs in English, how to read memos and letters in TOEIC, and continue listening part with picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short talks. When you move on to the week number 6 and number 7, you will learn the lesson number 3. In this lesson, you will learn adjectives, notice, continue listening part with picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short talks. And what will you do in the week number 8? Yes, pay attention to this one place. You will do your group presentation in the week number 8 with the group from number 1 to number 6. Okay? Yes. And the lesson number 4 will be learned in the week number 9 and number 10. In this lesson, you will learn how to use adverbs in English, how to read advertisement in TOEIC, and continue practice listening with picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short talks. When you move on to the week number 11 and number 12, you will learn the lesson number 5. In this lesson, what will you learn? Yeah, you are going to learn the preposition in English, how to read cautions in TOEIC, and continue practice listening, picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short talks. All right. And the last lesson, the lesson number 6, will be learned in the week number 13 and number 14. What are you going to learn? All right. You will learn how to use conjunction in English, how to read reports in TOEIC, and continue listening part with picture description, question and responses, short conversation, and short tasks. All right. And when you move on to the last week, you will have to do your group presentation with the group number 7 to number 12. Okay? Yes. And now we move on to the method of learning. How will you learn this course? And once again, you will learn this course with the flipped classroom, you know. And what do you have to do before you go into class? Yes. You have to watch the video of the lesson, Take notes on your notebook, do practice tests, and learn by heart new words and phrases before you go into the class. All right? And when you come to class, what will you do? Yeah, huh? Um, when you come to class, you will answer the reflection questions of the lesson from your teacher, exchange information with your classmates, and do vocabulary quiz. And after class, what will you have to do? Mhm. You have to finish your further practice test on the website and prepare for your group presentation. Right, and now I would like to introduce you the assessment of this course. In this course, you will be assessed with attendance and attitude, progress assessment, and final assessment. Yes, you can get 10% for attending online class regularly and finishing more than 80% of the exercise. Mhm. Another another 10% for attending offline class on time and showing positive behaviors in class. You can get 30% for doing the exercise online correctly and pay attention to this one place. Students get no mark when they commit the plagiarism or submit just the assignment late, and 20% for answering questions in offline class, 15% for giving presentation, and 15% for doing an overall test. Alright. And the last part I would like to share with you is your group work assessment. Yes, our class will be divided into 12 groups with 3 or 4 students in one group. Mhm. And each group will pick up one topic randomly, grammar or reading. And then you will make a group presentation. All right? And if you pick up a grammar point, you have to introduce the grammar point, list the keynotes, collect 20 questions on the grammar point, and make a quiz on Kahoot. And then make a flashcards with keywords or phrases in the 20 questions collected. And if you pick up a reading topic, you will have to introduce the reading topic, such as some tips to do, present some reading skill, right? And then collect 10 reading tasks and make a quiz on Kahoot. And the last part you have to finish is make a flashcards with a keywords or phrases in the 10 reading tasks collected. Yes, and your group work will be assessed with 3 criteria. Organization, 15%, content, 40%, and the presentation with 45%. And you can find the presentation rubric on the website. Okay? And that's enough for today. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye and see you.